Now I got the bag, watch it pile up. Money in the safe for a future. Got the cash, need the time, cut our ties, yeah. Hey, hey, don't you get it twisted. I've been on a mission, bending myself within. If you ever need help, I'm the one to fix it. Got one opportunity and I ain't tryna miss it, yeah. Didn't have a pot of piston. Now I got my diamonds and they all glisten. It's crazy just to think that this came from wishing. Only one, only one. Only one wish. Only one wish. They'll always see the new day. They'll always see the new day. Had the money problems when I first met.
Good morning, good morning. Getting my day started right now. I brought very limited clothes out here. By the way, I'm in Guam right now. Came here last night, so I'm about to go walking, see if I can find somewhere to shop, get some breakfast. Cause I got a flight to Tokyo early this morning. Well, this afternoon, like around 1 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock a.m. right now, so we're about to go shopping.
Cause I'm pulling strings, pulling strings. Yeah, I've been running things. Yeah, that's some puppet shit. What you think? Hey, I'm a gun and shit. I'm away, yeah.
I just left the market. What's going on, y'all? You know what I'm saying? First day in Bangkok, Thailand right now. I must say, it's a little different out here. It's amazing too. Traffic is crazy. I'm like riding in the back of the cart like, oh my God, what, these people about to wreck?
Bitch one got them bands home.
Ooh, stop the madness. I stand on my enemies. It can't get tragic. He don't want no smoke with me. I let him have it. She say she won't fuck with me, cause I'm a savage. I'm smoking OG straight out the package. You can't tell me anything. I was average. Now I'm living like a king. They stuck in sadness. She can't get a wedding ring. Don't know what happened. Bad man, the good man always comes in last. I stashed it and dashed it, my bank full of cash. The demons start fiending, the cops on my ass. They hate me, but low-key try take all my swag. I'm the wrong one, you got me fucked up. I said I wouldn't drink tonight, but damn it, I got fucked up.
Hey, not for real though. Bangkok, this shit was crazy. I'll definitely come back here again. Not by myself. But shout out to everybody that, you know what I'm saying, pulled up on me when I was here, pulled up on y'all. Shit was crazy, man. For real, for real.